Welcome to an achievement worth celebrating. The B Researcher World Forum, known as BRWF, has just concluded another successful online workshop. This time the focus was a comprehensive guide to systematic literature review, or SLR, and it took place on the 19th of April 2024. Our guide through this academic adventure was none other than Mr. 𝗕𝗥𝗕𝗗, a respected assistant professor at the Institute of River Harbour and Environmental Science, Chittagong University of Engineering and Technology, Bangladesh. Mr. Hossain, who is currently deepening his wealth of knowledge by pursuing a PhD in renewable energy and environmental engineering at the University of Malaysia Pahang Al Sultan Abdullah, Malaysia, expertly facilitated the workshop. A special mention goes to Mr. 𝗕𝗥𝗕𝗄, who graced the event as the guest of honour, and to Mohammed Ashika Rahman, who hosted the programme with enthusiasm. Mr. Sultan Mahmood also played a crucial role, acting as the backbone of the event. The workshop saw participation from 11 diverse countries, with eager learners making up almost 70% of the applicants. Mr. Arif Hossain led the participants through a range of topics, from conducting systematic reviews and developing review protocols, to search string formulation and synthesizing review results. After the workshop, participants had the opportunity to tap into Mr. Hossain's deep well of knowledge during an interactive Q&A session. Due to high demand from the attendees, there are now plans for an additional session with Mr. Hossain and BRWF. This upcoming workshop will focus on practical visualization in writing a systematic review paper. Soon, you'll be able to find the recorded lecture in this playlist. So make sure you subscribe to our channel to get future lectures and tutorials directly as notifications. With over 500 videos on research, paper writing, publications and higher studies, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you right here on the BRBD YouTube channel. To stay updated on the different activities of BRBD, join our platform on our website, Facebook page and LinkedIn. Together we can foster academic excellence and cooperation in the research community.